What is up everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great, and I hope you're all staying safe. I woke up to some pretty dank spicy information today morning, like really dank, really spicy. I can't share it with you because it's completely private, and turns out it was, well, interesting to say the least. But that means I'm on my second coffee today morning. That also means that today's video is going to be just as spicy as the information I received. No, that doesn't mean I'm going to put memes in every 2 seconds, but it does mean I have received a package that I bought back in October. And you may be asking yourself, what is this package? Well, if you didn't read the title, this is my Elite Headstrap. So before the video begins, I'm gonna go on a little bit of a ramble about, well, number one, why didn't I have this sooner? And number two, what kind of happened to these and why I got this over the FrankenQuest. So if you guys don't want to hear about that, skip to the next part. Timestamps down below. I bought this thing all the way back in October, and oh my god, this thing, it just arrived now. Like, that is quite a bit of time. But I must be officially the last person on Earth to be receiving their Elite Headstrap. Even though, if there are any more of us, let's create a gang of late Elite Headstrap owners. This is the box it came in. It's not, like, 100% packaged, but it has all this stuff in it, so, you know, we just absolutely ignore all that, and we grab the box. Here it is. If you guys don't know the story behind these, for some reason, these were recalled. Well, they weren't necessarily recalled as much as they were cancelled. You couldn't buy these anywhere for like the longest time because they were snapping. Supposedly they've been remade or redesigned, or there was just a bad batch or something, but it happened to quite a few people, and that's just not okay. So now we've got a much extended and needed warranty on these, so that if it breaks, you can send them back. And not only that, they're back in stock, but only on the Oculus website. So remember when I told you guys that my Amazon order got cancelled? Well, I wasn't going to take that very lightly. So I instantly went onto the Oculus website and bought this. And you may be asking yourself at this point, why didn't I buy the Valve Deluxe audio strap? Well, that's very simple. For many people, including myself, portability is one of the main factors of the Quest. And with the Valve Deluxe audio strap, it's amazing. It's great. I can only imagine. I've never used it. But you can't throw it into the original case. And I need that original case. I travel a lot. I go to Poland. I go to different countries, different places. Of course, I can't do that now. But, you know, when the world goes back to being normal, hopefully, I'll be able to do that again. And that's the plan. And of course, I'm taking this with me, whether I want to show VR to people for the very first time, or whether I just want to play some games with a few friends. It's very important for me, that portability factor. And even if I know I can buy cases for the Valve Deluxe audio strap, I know I can do that, but they are quite a bit bigger than this, meaning I wouldn't be able to fit it in my bag like I can now. Well, at least I could with the Quest 1, and it's like the perfect size. It's like it was made for it. And I fly with it, so, you know, I kind of need it to be small. That's why I went for the Elite Headstrap. And I mean, I have headphones that I can clip onto it, so yeah, no. Okay, so without further ado, let's open this thing up and put it on and see if it's really as comfortable as people made it out to be. Because people were like, this is the must-have accessory for the Quest 2 that you can't have because they've been cancelled. So, of course, nice packaging, as you would always expect from Oculus. I don't think I've ever had an Oculus headset without nice packaging. I started off with the CV1, which had like a whole briefcase with it. So this opens up quite nicely. Not as nicely as the original Quest, which I believe was magnetic, or not as nicely as the CV1, which was also magnetic. And here we have the pill. Now let's swallow it. So I've never actually seen this up close. Like, I haven't really looked at the reviews or anything of this that much, but as you can see, I bought the battery Elite Headstrap with the case because, again, I need the case. And from looking at this, it actually looks really nice. This is gonna get dirty very, very easily, just like the Quest. I don't know if I like it more than the Oculus Quest 1 case. It is still a hard shell, but it has this kind of like weird, that looks like the pillows downstairs, but it's more like sandpaper. Could I sleep on this? I don't know. It has this nice kind of indented place for the zipper, which is actually nice. I do like that part. Let's open it up. There we go. So inside here, we've got the, oh, that is heavy. Okay, didn't expect it to be that heavy. So first of all, this looks very different than the Quest 1 case. I don't think I like it as much on the inside. Like, the old one had like a pocket where you could put a few spare batteries, a few spare things. Here, that doesn't exist. It's just a space, that's it. And I believe this is where you're supposed to put any spare batteries or anything, so it's just kind of going to be flying around. And, I mean, technically that looks like it can fly out as well. It doesn't seem to have space. You know what? I don't know. I guess I'll have to see in practice, realistically. And then here, we've got the Elite Headstrap. Cool. And we've got the cable, of course, for charging the Oculus Quest. Now, the thing is, you can't do pass-through with this, from what I've heard, and you can't use the link while using the battery. Why you would do that, I'm not 100% sure, but it has been a complaint I have seen. Something I do feel like I need to mention, however, is that it does actually have a USB-C port here in the back for charging pass-through, so you can charge it while playing on it. So at least it has that. I have a thing that might be able to solve that, which I want to see if it actually works, because that's, you know, I've had this plan for quite some time now. This is what I have. It's an OTG adapter. These do work with the Quest. So this isn't gonna work the way I thought it is, isn't it? Okay, scratch that idea. This only has a one pass through. But I guess if you wanted to use USBs or micro SDs with your Quest and use this with it, I guess you could get one with two pass throughs. I'll need to see if that's a thing. That looks very bent outwards. It does look very comfortable. Like, don't get me wrong. Oh, I bet when I put this on, I'm gonna be very happy with it. So here's my Quest. It's like modded to all hell right now. We have the VR cover facial interface from Christmas, which is nice. They do actually have the controller straps, the controller grips up for sale on the European store right now. So there you go for all you Europeans out there that wanted one. That's out on the European store right now. And then to put the Elite Headstrap on, we just snap this back, just like that. And we take the official head strap off. Ta-da! That's how simple it is. Now, some people are saying you can throw that in the wash. Some people are saying you can't throw that in the wash. I'm gonna try throw it in the wash. It looks horrible. Quest, don't fall. Guys, I need more room. I need more room in this room. This is gonna fall like 3 times today. I can't be watching this. There we go. Look at that. Now that is pretty strong, to be honest with you. This feels, ooh, that feels very sturdy. Okay, let's put the headphones on. Okay, let's try this out, shall we? Need to extend this out a little bit further. Ooh, I get the Rift S vibes from this. Abso-freaking-lutely. Ooh, okay. Oh wow, that is very, very like well on my head right now. That is not going anywhere. Okay, wow, that little thing on the back, it really adds to the sturdiness and it doesn't hurt my head as much. Now, this feels great. It honestly feels great, but how is it going to fit inside the case? Let's see. So, how do you put this in? Oh, come on, they're not gonna fit with the headphones? Are you joking? I mean, I guess this is what I get for portability, right? I need to take them off to test this. Now that the headphones are off, let's see how well this thing actually fits inside its case. Ooh, it's kind of tough. Oh no. Okay, it does, it barely does. Because I have the VR cover interface, which makes it a little bit harder. But I think what really makes it harder is the fact that I have that magnet up front for the mod mic. Other than that, it's actually a really nice fit. It doesn't feel like it's gonna jump up and down inside there too much, which is really nice. So now that we've got it in there, I want to do a few comparisons. Let's do that. This is the Quest 1 case. Let's take a look. So first of all, the Quest 2 case is, well, actually larger, and I don't know how much I feel about that, because let me show you my bag. I'm gonna show you guys something super satisfying, right? After I take out all the, you guys didn't see that, quality waterproofing material, Ethernet thingy, and USB sticks. Okay, this didn't fall, you guys didn't see that. Look how satisfyingly this fits into the front. Look at that. It's like it was made for it, which means I think I'm gonna have an issue with this one. Please fit, please fit. Ooh, oh my gosh, yes. travel, here I come. Once I can. Good, good, good. It still fits, and it fits perfectly. Okay. I was really worried there. Next question I guess I have is, will my controllers fit in here? My controllers have grips, and grips have proven to be a problem for cases in the past. I don't actually know how I'm supposed to fit the controllers in here, but it does actually look like it's going to be a problem. I need to check the instruction manual. Maybe that will give me a hint. No stickers, come on. Come on, guys. Come on, Oculus. You used to give so many stickers. CV1 got these great stickers that I stuck onto the back of my drawing tablet. I mean, there's no instructions on how to put it into the case. I guess they think people would just be smart enough to know how to do that. You don't know who you're dealing with. I'm gonna figure that out off camera. 10 out of 10 quality right here. Look at that. Nailed it. Okay, so we've now got battery power inside of the Quest. And I want to give you guys an in-depth review of kind of like my first thoughts with this right now, because I think this is amazing. So, first of all, this thing here on the back, freaking genius. The Rift S, it didn't have this firm of a grip on my head because it didn't have that black thing on the back. This is amazing. Like, I can't even move the headset with my hands if I wanted to. It moves my entire head. The grip is insane. Like, it's great. It's amazing. This is so much better than I thought it would be. Second, it is tight. Like, it pushes my head slightly too close to the lenses. Now, this is entirely my fault. I have prescription lenses, therefore my eyelashes now touch the prescription lenses. Since this is my fault, the only way to fix it is to cut off my eyelashes. So that's fine. We can solve that. Third issue, or not really an issue, but a good thing. This thing up here, doing a good job. It's not pushing down on my head too much. It's really focusing most of its power on the back here. Fourth thing, that battery is really proving to be a counterweight. As much as the Quest 2 doesn't need that much of a counterweight, this is perfectly weighed out. Like, realistically, this is perfectly weighed out. Fifth thing, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to use my headphones with this, which is very disappointing if I want to travel, I need to see how well different headphones fit over this headband, or modify the other ones using 3D. Where am I facing? Oh, or modify the other ones using 3D printing to use neodymium magnets to just snap on. Because right now I have no audio, and these just aren't going to cut it. Ooh, the active noise cancelling on these is actually cutting it. Okay, so these might cut it, but these are Bluetooth, and Bluetooth equals latency. I'll have to figure a few things out, but overall, first thoughts, really, really good. Compared to the Rift S, this is certainly an improvement. And now, this is certainly going to be my first headset to jump into. As much as it already was because of all the crashes the Rift S was causing, this is great, this is amazing. I'm happy I got it. Was it worth a 3-month wait? Guess I'm gonna find out. The case, I guess I'm happy with. Not 100% sure yet. It fits. I don't know how I feel about the materials it's made out of and the inside. This seems great. Will it be great in practice? Is it going to snap? I hope not, because right now, I'm a big fan. So, if you guys liked today's video, please give it a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too, but please tell me why down in the comment section below. If you guys are not yet part of the club but would like to join, you can do that down in the description below. We have a Discord, we have a Reddit where I want to see you guys posting your spicy memes, and if you guys want to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, mysticalstore.com, where we've got sick mugs that boost your FPS by 300%, and if you guys want to be notified about future content coming up on the channel almost daily, I have to say almost now because I've been all over the place, make sure to smack that subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.